look at this. All kinds of junk.
All right, April 5th today. This is a friggin' joke. This is stupid. Another, I don't even know how much snow, 6 inches of snow. 2 days ago we had 5 inches of snow. We got friggin' 4 feet of snow in the yard. And this is getting really, really annoying. This winter just won't go away. So, still kind of injured, still sore, but once again, I have to fight through the pain and plow the driveway. So I'm gonna do a couple little clips for you just to pass the time, and hope you enjoy it. All right, hope you enjoyed that. I'm gonna pay for that one. I'm hurting already, but at least it's a little video for you. I don't know when the next one will be. I'd like to do that winch line, but I can't lay down, so we'll see. Anyways, hope you all have a good Easter weekend.